Joe Biden is leading the tally with 264 electoral votes and needs just 6 more votes to win the election, and Donald Trump has so far secured 214 electoral college votes. Prime Minister Imran Khan addressing a public gathering after inaugurating Sehat Sahulat Cards program for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa in Swat today on Friday. In Michigan, USA, judge dismisses Trump campaign lawsuit. Pakistan certifies Emirates group security X-ray training program. In the US, 50 people have been killed by landslide in Guatemala after Storm Eta's torrential rain and high winds battered the Central American country.